Tired of feeling like your money is running the show? In this video, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle, NerdWallet versus EveryDollar, two budgeting apps vying for the top spot in helping you take control of your finances. We're going to break down their core differences in under 2 minutes. First up, NerdWallet. Think of it as your all-in-one financial hub. This app automatically tracks your spending by linking to your bank accounts and credit cards. Plus, you can monitor your credit score and get personalized insights to improve your financial health. NerdWallet's strength lies in its comprehensive approach and hands-off expense tracking. Now, let's talk about EveryDollar. This app champions the zero-based budgeting method, meaning every dollar has a purpose. Unlike NerdWallet, EveryDollar requires you to manually enter each transaction, giving you a much more hands-on approach to budgeting. This forces you to be more aware of where your money is going. Feature-wise, NerdWallet wins for automated expense tracking and credit score monitoring, while EveryDollar shines with its zero-based budgeting philosophy. Both offer debt management tools, but NerdWallet provides more comprehensive insights in terms of user-friendliness. NerdWallet might be slightly easier for beginners, while EveryDollar offers more customization for experienced budgeters. Ultimately, the best app depends on your preferences. If you prefer automation and a broad overview, NerdWallet is your winner, but if you like hands-on control and the zero-based budgeting method, EveryDollar is the way to go. Choose the app that aligns with your budgeting style and financial goals. Now get out there and conquer your finances.